Hi, I am Dr. Saqib Mansoor, and this is my channel Learning Anatomy. And I have started with you a series of lectures on thalamus. So, this is the fourth lecture on thalamus functions. So, first of all, I will discuss with you the general outline of the functions. That thalamus is a sensory integration and relay station of all sensory pathways except for the olfactory pathway, which is projected directly to the cerebral cortex without being relayed in the thalamus. It has the capability to recognize, though poorly, of pain, temperature, and some tactile sensation at its own level. It influences voluntary movements by receiving impulses from cerebellum and basal ganglia and relaying these to motor cortex, which in turn influences lower motor neurons through the corticonuclear and corticospinal pathways. Through the ascending reticular activating system, the thalamic reticular component takes part in maintenance of the state of wakefulness and alertness. It receives impulses from hypothalamus and projects them to the cingulate and prefrontal gyri, and through these takes part in affective reactions, that is to say determination of mood. Is thought to have a role in emotions and recent memory. It influences electrical activity of the cerebral cortex and thus plays a role in synchronization or desynchronization of the EEG waves, electroencephalographic waves. So the cortical areas of the thalamic nuclear projection would be discussed, right? It would be discussed that which nucleus of the thalamus projects to which cortical area, Broadband area. First of all, we'll discuss the anterior nucleus group, right? You see, this is the cingulate gyrus. So anterior nucleus projects to the cingulate gyrus, which are the areas 24 and 31. Then is the mediodorsal or the dorsomedial group, which projects here to the prefrontal cortex, which is the areas 9 to 12, right? And then are the ventral lateral nucleus. Here, this is the area 4, Brodmann's area 4, the ventral lateral nucleus. This is the motor cortex, and this is also the ventral lateral nucleus to the area 6, which is the premotor cortex, right? So ventral posterior nucleus, here it is that behind the central sulcus, this is the thing, and these are the Brodmann areas 3, 1, 2, and these are the sensory area. This is the relaying to the sensory cortex or the somesthetic cortex, right? This anterior nucleus group that is responsible for the emotional tone, as I told you in my previous lecture. And this mediodorsal group is also responsible for this behavior and emotions as well. And in this picture, you see mediodorsal and ventral anterior nuclei overall, this projecting to the areas 9 to 12 and 44 to 47, right? And ventral anterior nucleus. This is also, I mean, the motor area, areas 6 and 8, and ventral lateral here, as here it was also shown, ventral lateral area 4, and this is also area 4, the motor area, right? This is the ventral lateral nucleus. And then is a lateral posterior nucleus, which is the areas 5 and 7. So this lateral posterior nucleus of the thalamus is related to this superior part of the parietal cortex, right? So then is the pulvinar. Yes, there is the pulvinar, and these are the Brodmann areas 18, 19, 39, and 40, and the areas of the cortex are the occipital and the superior part of the parietal and posterior part of the temporal lobe. Then to the metathalamus, the medial geniculate body and the lateral geniculate body. First, you'll see the lateral geniculate body, which is related to the via the optic radiation to the area 17. This is the visual area. This is the lateral geniculate body relaying here to the occipital lobe. This is area 17, the visual area. This is responsible for the information is brought from the contralateral field of vision. And this is the medial geniculate body, areas 41 and 42, right? So this is the superior temporal gyrus and part of the superior temporal gyrus. This is responsible for hearing. This is the hearing area. So that was a very, very brief lecture on the thalamus, functions. And so now, very soon I will upload a lecture on the clinicals of the thalamus, which are very important. So thank you very much. Please support my channel, Learning Anatomy. Do subscribe and share and like. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Bye.